So here we're subtracting a fraction from a mixed number, but this time we're going to get our answer by changing our mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2 1/4 as an improper fraction is 9/4. That's because to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 1 is 9, so that's our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 2/4, so in our answer, when we're subtracting, the denominator stays the same, and now we subtract the numerator, so 9 minus 2 is 7. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 7/4, but we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 7 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 3. That's because 1 times 4 is 4, but then we need 3 more to get 7. So our answer is 1 3/4. Now we have 3 3/6 minus 5/6. So we can change this mixed number into an improper fraction. We multiply the whole number by the denominator, and 3 times 6 is 18. Then we add the numerator, and 18 plus 3 is 21. So as an improper fraction, we have 21/6. We're subtracting 5/6, so in our answer, the denominator stays the same, and 21 minus 5 is 16. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 16/6. We can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 16 divided by 6 is 2 remainder 4, because 2 times 6 is 12, but then we need 4 more to get to 16. So our answer is 2 4/6. Now we have 2 1/5 minus 3/5. So we need to change our mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11, so that's our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 3/5, so the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 11 minus 3 is 8. So we have 8/5 as an improper fraction, and we can change that answer back into a mixed number by dividing. 8 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 3, so our answer is 1 3/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.